brave I hardly hold. I hate to stare, can't shake this cold. Inside my chest on a stormy storm. Laying out of time, I'm just a girl in your eyes. Don't even know other father shines, his last left daughter by the grave his countless born, deep now or nevermore. Songs echo through the trees, sullen absence unsecretes, but silence heavenly when my dove would sing.
good and honest work, and I think it's helped to teach me how to die. Running from my fear so far away, praying peace of mind I might be saved. But I could not help my thoughts from turning back. Tried to hide somewhere that shame could not track. Let it go, flowers grow. Feeling that my life must be atoned. Let it go, flowers grow. It's a song grave diggers sing when they're alone. I dug up the dead man